Teddy found the buzz cutter. Eloise, turn around. Turn around. Oh my god, oh my god. Look it. Do you like your haircut?
No.
Turn around. Why'd you let brother do that?
She said she wanted me to do that a lot, and so I did it.
Okay.
And she wanted to
Alright,
show
it's
me
just hair. It's hair and it's gonna... Did you cut Fred's hair?
a little.
Okay. Honesty, that's good. It's just hair. It grows back. Okay? Eloise.
Mom, I look like a boy.
No, you don't look like a boy. You're a beautiful girl. You're beautiful. It doesn't matter.
Your face
That's-
still looks like a girl.
Yeah, that's cute. We'll make it work, okay? We'll make it work.
Mommy, can I put more hair on mine head?
Oh my god.
Can I put more hair? Can I put more?
Hey. Hi, guys.
Hi.
Hi. Let me see. You look good.
Yes. Hi.
What do you have to say for yourself?
Nothing.
Mm-hmm. Fred, what about